Hello there, we are going to talk about optics major equipment manage case. As we talked about before, we manage the equipment by the SPC chart. This is the case. One day the oxide thickness SPC chart, the curve trending down. Just like this, this is the SPC structure we talked about before. This is our target setting. For example, this oxide thickness target is to measure the oxide thin about 50, and this is the warning set. Over the warning set, we'll get the warning alarm, just like this point. And this is a limit set. Over a limit set, we are going to send the alarm to engineer also, and we're going to let the process engineer to decide to hold the product during this period. This SPC chart belongs to monitor item. This chart scale being tightened very tight, very much. Due to that, product measuring still in specification still, because the product specification is reasonable still, not being tightened. So this chart being tightened, but engineers still have to do the investigation with it. You can see the chart very normal, and here a little bit higher, but it trend down, going to trend down, and this point trend down to the warning set. The SPC system send the alarm to the engineer, equipment engineer. So the engineer have to check it out. This is a June 30. And the engineer checked the offset value. No change. It's okay. And the manual measure the monitor wafer result okay too. Engineer did equipment self-test and self-calibration. Okay, without any alarm. So the monitor result back to steady. So the engineer continue to monitor it and not do anything else, because the equipment engineer checked no any parts needs to be renewed, because their lifetime, the lamp, the UV, the visual lifetime is okay. No necessary to replace them. So keep to monitor to watch. This is the engineer's patient. That's important. If not necessary, Don't replace parts of the equipment. Just let the equipment steady to run and keep watch. Don't do any action without thinking. After this action, the monitor result come back steady for several days. After several days, the July 2, it trend down again. Trending down again situation. So the engineer follow his experience to edit the offset value a little bit, adding 0.8. It means that if you measure 15, you will adding 0.8 to 50.8. It's a very little bit, no affect production, just affect this SPC monitor item result. And this section make this down point, trend down point back to normal line. Measure is okay. Continue to monitor without any other action. So the monitor value keeps steady from this action to July 10. The equipment engineer follow his experience, added the offset value back. That means minus 0.8. Added back. The monitor value not trending down again. Its measure okay, keep steady. Just from this action, edit the offset to let the measuring back to steady. The wrinkles, the system calculus system and the reference system has the integrated shift measurement result. So this kind unsteady. This time wrinkles due to the equipment calculus system. And the engineer has experience in those lab to edit offset to correct this calculus system back to normal. So this case finish and found the wrinkles and solve this issue by engineer's experience and his knowledge about calculus system of this equipment. Okay, let's all see you next time.